So, along with the copyright there is a related rights are there. Related rights are also known as a neighboring rights actually. So, what exactly that neighboring rights are there? So, you can just check here broadcasting right and performers right, these are the mainly the related rights are there. So, what is the meaning of that? So, suppose you are watching a match, football match which is happening, or a cricket match which is happening somewhere in the world, and one company gets the contract. You probably heard about the auction before the matches, that who will take that rights for that broadcasting, and that auctions are like huge, the transaction, financial transactions are there. Generally it is around 1600 crores or plus, because broadcasting rights, once it is transferred to that company will hold that right for 25 years. Please understand that thing. Copyright life, we have talked about that life of the author, and then there is a like 60 years.